Hi, we're here to talk about auto support in the new NetBackup 5330 appliance. And Bill Felt, you're going to talk us through the process of auto support, which is the new 21st century support model, isn't it?
It is, yeah. And it's all about automating and simplifying the total cost of ownership for an appliance over its life cycle in your environment, right? So, especially from the support perspective. So, from an overall architecture perspective, we have over here the customer site, and he will have one or more appliances that he is using in his environment, right? And here we have the Symantec Secure Operations Center. And what happens is as the appliance does its thing, he will automatically report to this infrastructure about his hardware status, usage information, and any alerts he needs to send to send home, as it were, right? So if he has a power unit fail, or if he has a cable go bad or a disk drive go bad, we know automatically, without the user having to do anything at all, we know that automatically, and we'll take a corrective action. That might be opening up a support ticket, dispatching a replacement hardware component to the customer. All that stuff happens without the user having to do anything at all. Now, he can do a lot by himself if he wants. So he can log into the My Appliance portal, right, and manage and view his own information about his appliances. He can manage his own trouble tickets, interact with support automatically through the portal infrastructure.
So Bill, the hardware monitoring,
yeah.
that's efficient enough to actually mean that we're likely to know about a problem that's happening here before the customer does.
It's very likely. So we might know that you have a bad power supply before you do, and can start that whole process running before you even get up in the morning, for example.
And those hardware monitoring, that's pretty much everything that's inside here.
It is. So we're talking about your controllers, you're talking about your disks, you're talking about your fans. All that stuff is tracked through the hardware monitoring infrastructure. And keep in mind, this is all communicated through a very secure process, right? So this is, as it states, a secure operations center. So this communication path is hardened and secure to protect our customers from information leakage. So.
Right, and Bill, so this is the traditional support center that everybody would know and understand. The engineering, research, and service, that's not just from the customer. This is from all over the world. It's every appliance that we have is sending information back.
That's a very important point, right? So we are monitoring at the usage level global information about our appliances worldwide. And this allows us to pinpoint updates and fixes to better streamline performance in future versions of the appliance, right? So we're not gathering any personal information here. This is simply usage information. And again, this is all done in a very secure operating manner.
Okay, so the hardware dispatch, that comes from the alerting that if there's going to be a failure here, we can do hardware dispatch there. Right. But the auto ticketing, that's when we need to open a support case, and again, auto support will automatically do that, collects the logs up, opens the ticket. That's great. That's fantastic, isn't it? And that's all within this secure operating support center.
Security is key. Secure Operations Center.
Right, Bill, thank you very much. That's a great explanation. Just remember to turn it on. Thanks.